Hello everyone, welcome back to JSS Collections. So, how are you all? I am doing very well and I hope the same from you all. And one more thing, the thing is, if you're watching my video for the first time, please click subscribe button so that you can get my new updates and like my video, and please share to your family and friends because I need your support. And one more thing, all these days I waited for my stock to come, so I have back with the new stock. So let's go to the video. It's my first beautiful collection. It's a wine shade with the golden print. Look at this beautiful lehenga. It's so pretty, and with the full flare it has. You can see the flare. Guys, it's a huge flare it has. It is around 4 meters. It has a flare. And the thing is, it's a lehenga. It is a full golden. It has elastic behind, and there's a zip also. It has a zip, and in front it has a plain band. Okay, so you can feel the cloth is of silk. It's really pretty. See, I am showing you the clothes from the closer. It's a silk. It's really shiny, and with the shiny cloth it is full of golden print. And one more thing I would like to say, please don't use brush on this while uh, while washing. You have to just dip this in the mild shampoo only. Please don't use brush because it's a print. So please be careful while washing these things. And it costs you 550 plus shipping. And the next one is this brocade lehenga. See, the total it has the pot. It has a flower vase weaving. It is not the print, it is weaving, friends. You can see it is the weaving. It's a Banarasi cloth, and it has colorful band here. And one more thing I would like to give you the proper idea of this, of its length also. See, its length is around 46 centimeters. So this is my next item. It's a long gown. See, and it is a imported one. You can see at the closer it has like a rose print all over, and with the glittery dots also. And it's really very long it is, and its shade is mehendi green. See, its flare is this much. It's really pretty. And if you want to look different in the group, you can take this. And its sleeves, it has short sleeves, they are attached inside, and it has lining also. You can see it has lining inside also. So it is not see-through cloth. It is really very thick. You can see. And it costs you 490 rupees plus shipping. And I have one more shade also in this. It's a combination of gray and navy blue. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful it is. See, you can see it has a double shade, gray and blue, with the glittery dots all over. You can wear this for evening parties. Really, it is very beautiful. And my next product is this one, golden print. And one more thing, it has thread work on the yoke part and with the beautiful, it is beautified with the beautiful buttons also. And it has 3/4 sleeves. And the size is M. It will fit up to, let me check the, I will show you with the tape, measuring tape, so that you will get an idea about this. It fits up to 40 bust. It is a free size actually, but it is written as M here on this, but its size is 40, and the length, it is very lengthy one. The length is around 49. I think it is not 49, it is around 50. So it's a full gown and it is really pretty. See, have a look at this. It's really pretty. And it has red border also. And it costs you 450 plus shipping. And I have come up, as it is summer, so I have come up with a few kurtis, cotton kurtis. Look at this. It is a green and coral color combination, and it has totally golden print. You can see at the closer, it has a little bit shine also. It's a cotton top and the size is double XL, and it has 3/4 sleeves. I will show you with the measuring tape so that you can get a clear picture of this dress. It fits up to 42 size. So most of the people are demanding for double XL tops, so I have come up with a few collection of those. And beautiful shade of this, you can see this, it is navy blue. The pattern and everything is same, but the same thing, blue and coral color shade, and the same with the 3/4 sleeves. And really, you can see the print, it is really pretty. You can use this for a small parties also if you want. It's really so pretty. It has same work on the sleeves also. It is also of double XL, and it costs you 450 plus shipping. And I have again the same straight kurti with the different print, and it is really a beautiful shade, friends. It's a bottle green color, and it has, in this bottle green, you have, see, you can see at the from the closer, light green and golden color print it is, and the print is also totally different. It's like a simple stems print it is, and the size is double XL, and it has 3/4 sleeves. It's a daily wear, you can use it as daily wear kurti. The size is same, double XL. It also fits up to 42. And I have other print also in this.
Same.
It looks same, friends, but there is a little bit difference in the both colors. You can see at the closer. It is leafy green shade and it is dark green shade. The pattern and everything is same. Only thing is it's a little bit lighter shade it is. And this is also double XL, and this costs you 350 plus shipping. And my next item is, it's a mustard yellow top with the simple embroidery. It's a daily wear kurti. It's really pretty, friends. Really, it's very, very simple, and you can easily use this for office wear. You will look decent in this dress. It's really so nice, and the size is XL, and the cloth is pure cotton. It has 3/4 sleeves. It's a straight cut kurti with the slit. It fits up to, it is of 36 size. Really, friends, it's really so simple and decent. It is super, what to say, it is super suit for office wear. It's really, you will look decent in this. You can see this. And it costs you only 350 plus shipping. And I have one more kurti. It's a little bit flary one, and it's really simple one. It has totally golden thread work all over. You can see it has embroidery on the yoke part, and it is a combination of golden color and it is what we say, it is not the proper navy blue. It is a dark cobalt blue. It is little bit, it has a mix of navy blue and cobalt blue, not the pure cobalt blue. And it has sleeves. It has short sleeves. You can see it is attached inside, and the size is XL. Let me give you the clear picture of this. It is also of 36 size, and its length is 50 inches. It's really very simple. You can use it for daily office wear, and it costs you 300 rupees plus shipping. And look at this beautiful kurti, friends. It's really so pretty, sober color with the beautiful print all over, and it has open in front. You can use it as a feeding kurti also. It has 3 buttons here with the mandarin collar, and it has 3/4 sleeves. And it has cut in the center. You can see there is a cut also here, and the flare is, it has really very flary cloth. You can see the flare. It is around 3 meters flare it has. And the thing is, the specialty of this dress is, it is like a butter soft cloth, friends. Really, it's a beautiful soft cloth. It is. You will feel very, it gives you a cool feeling if you wear it. It's really buttery soft cloth. It is. And it is a plus size kurti. It is of 3XL size. Yeah, it is a 3XL size. It fits up to the bust of 46. It's a plus size kurti, but the thing is, the cloth, the print and everything is wonderful. It's really beautiful. I like this cloth very much because it is very, very, very soft, and it costs you 450 plus shipping. So this is all for today, friends. So I hope you like my video and my dress collection also. If you like any of these, please take screenshot and send it to the mention number. My number is 9656775528, and you can DM me also on Insta. My ID is JSS_collections123, and please, I need your support. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. I hope you will help me. And not only that, I strongly believe that I am providing the clothes at a very affordable prices. Uh, Due to this pandemic period, everybody will be facing problem. So I want to just help the people who cannot afford high rates. So I am providing this at a cheaper prices. So if you think my rates are affordable, please share with your family and friends. Thank you.